If you're wondering about the top 5 mechanical keyboards, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. To start things off, let's take a look at the BlackShark RGB mechanical. €8 responsive blue SWITCHES €8 The classic mechanical blue switches deliver accurate responsive key commands and offer precise tactile and audible click feedback for solid key presses. €8 N key rollover in PROGRAMMABLE €8 The PC gaming keyboard is with fully conflict-free 104 keys that ensures the accuracy for simultaneous key presses during intense gameplay and fast typing. €8 Ergonomic design in metal panel €8 The game keyboard is designed with ergonomic arc layout, suspended key and foldable stands that offers comfort typing angle and experience. €8 Multiple functions and wide COMPATIBILITY €8 The computer keyboard also has 12 multimedia key combinations and win-lock function for efficiently gaming or working. Tyra from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Keyboard works perfect, RGB is excellent." Brady from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "Best looking KB I have seen." At this price, it's a no-brainer. For our next item, let's take a look at the Fiodio mechanical gaming keyboard. There is no dome to compress or click to overcome. The keystroke is consistent and smooth that offers unmistakable feedback when pressed. Gorgeous full-spectrum backlit design? This mechanical gaming keyboard features 3D backlight modes and 19 fantastic backlight modes, streaming, racing, breathing, and so on. Bright lighting effects offer immersing gaming experience to you. The brightness and lighting speed of the keyboard is available to change. You can choose the effect as you like. Full 104 key anti-ghosting for smooth gaming. 104 key rollover with anti-ghosting design ensures the most accuracy of your commands in any use case scenario and will never miss a single key press or confuse your commands under any conditions. Gerardo from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "It has a slew of lighting options and splashy patterns, including a completely off lighting selection. The keys are slightly stiff at first, but nothing a few hours of typing or gaming doesn't fix." Next up we have the Gaming GK61S mechanical. Full RGB backlit gaming keyboard, a circumflex €16.8 million color combinations, adjustable brightness levels and multiple different lighting effects. 5-pin PCB, rated for 50 million keystrokes, hot swappable with Gatron, Kale, Cherry switches. Fully programmable macro recording, advanced lighting effects and customizations through software. Full anti-ghosting mode and key rollover, NKRO, for ideal FPS, MOBA and MMO gaming experiences. Compatibility with Mac and Windows, compatible with Windows 11, Win 10, Win 8, Win 7, Win Vista, Windows XP and Mac OS. Kristen from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "I really like this thing, great for Fortnite, I felt like IA circumflex M few." Corey from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "We bought this for our 11-year-old son with a birthday gift card from family. He loves it." Please watch his detailed video review. Our next product comes highly recommended, the Redragon K617 Fizz 60%. Slim Fresh K617. Redragon's new 60% layout wired keyboard in a refreshing style with a no-brainer deal economic offer. Hot swappable red switches, most quiet mechanical switch, linear and soft key travel makes every click easy to register. Pro software customizable, expand your options using the available software to design your own new modes and effects found on Redragon Shop. Dedicated for FPS gamer. Place the keyboard proper straight on your desktop and no more crooked way for mouse space saving. Your mouse will never hit the keyboard anymore. Brittany from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, 10/10 absolutely worth it, I love it. Jennifer from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "My 11-year-old son wanted a different keyboard for gaming, so he saved his allowance and did research until he found the one he wanted." To round out the video, our final product is the Rockcat Vulcan 122 mechanical. Advanced anti-ghosting technology optimized for gamers to ensure every keystroke of the most used keys is registered a circumflex euros, no matter how frantic the action gets. IMO Illumination ROCCATA Circumflex Euros' proprietary lighting ecosystem connects compatible devices, present vivid lighting scenarios right out of the box, without the need for extensive configuration, with full backlighting in 16.8 million colors. Mixer-style media controls the volume dial and backlit media buttons allow you to adjust volume and mute-unmute on the fly, or toggle over to lighting control to adjust brightness. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 mechanical keyboards. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.